Here we are, 3 days after Dada left, laying on the living room floor. And she sees the kitty cat that's in all the videos. Every single video I take, Pooh Bear is in it. She's not crawling yet, but she's pretty darn close. Hi, baby. Pooh Bear, beat it. Beat it. Get your bugs. Get your bugs, Munchkin.
It's this one. It doesn't have a hook. We figured it out.
Get your bugs, Munchkin. Pooh Bear sitting on my scrapbook stuff. Can you say Dada? Can you say Dada? Get your bugs. You did it, Munchkin. You did it. You did